Hi everybody, so tonight I am going to do a demo using my Tupperware MicroPro Grill. And this is it. So it's exactly what it says. It's a grill that you can use in the microwave. So this grill has two positions. It has a casserole position, so you can make casseroles in here, meatloafs, and so this won't be touching your food. Then there is a grill position, which it'll press down, so if you're cooking, if you're making sliders or steak, or like tonight I'm gonna make grilled chicken, you would put it in the grill position. So what's happening is the microwave is not cooking your food. What's cooking your food is actually these scepter plates that are being heated up by your microwave. So there's a scepter plate on the cover, and there's a scepter plate on the bottom part of your grill. And if you notice, one thing I like about this grill, you see this well here? When you're cooking your hamburger or your chicken, and I know like for me and my husband are trying to eat a little bit healthier, the oils will go into that well. And it's not the oil that's cooking your food, it's really the grill. You're actually grilling it. So you don't have to worry about your food being cooked in the oil. So that's one thing I like about that. So tonight, what I did earlier today, I marinated, it's just me for dinner tonight, so I just marinated a piece of chicken, chicken thighs. I don't like using chicken breasts. I like using chicken thighs better. I know chicken breast is probably healthier, but I like the chicken thighs better. And what I do is normally I trim away some of the fat that's on there. So I don't know if you noticed, but this is our little marinator, our little season serve. I love it. It's perfect just for me and my husband. We're pretty much empty nesters, so this is perfect just for us. So what I'm gonna do is take out my chicken from my marinator, and I'm gonna put it into the grill itself. You can preheat your grill. It's not necessary. If you're gonna preheat it, what you can do is put a piece of bread in there, or I'm trying to stay away from carbs, so I put like a whole wheat tortilla inside, low carb, and I just put it in the microwave and I heat it up for 2 minutes, and that'll preheat your grill. I didn't preheat my grill today, so I'm just gonna put the chicken in there, and maybe I should put the camera down so you can actually see what I'm doing. There you go. Okay, so this is my chicken that I marinated, and I just used the Hawaiian barbecue sauce that we have. It's almost like a Korean barbecue sauce. I like it. It marinates through the chicken really well. So if you want to, this, like I said, I just did this today, and it marinates through your chicken really good. So this is the reason why I like using this sauce. So this is what I'm going to do. Just put this piece right in here, and what we're going to do is put this in the microwave on grill position. So there's two positions you can use in this MicroPro Grill. You can make casseroles, you can cook meatloaf in here, you can do brownies, and the casserole position is so it sits on top and not on your food. And what we're going to do today is we're going to use it in the grill position. So remember I told you the plates on the top and the bottom heat up. It heats up to 400, I think it's 425 degrees, and it stays at that temperature. So you don't have to worry about how hot your grill is getting, or if it's heating up enough, because in 2 minutes it'll heat up to the temperature, and it'll stay at that temperature. So you don't have to worry about that. So we're gonna grill this. Top and bottom is gonna be grilled, and I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Maybe I should do 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and check, because it's just one piece. And like I said, it's chicken thighs and not the breast. Breast is a little bit thicker. So I'll do for 5 minutes, and I'll pull it out and we can check it. And I can show you then. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the microwave. And if you notice, you can see the steam. And let me see if you can hear it. You hear it sizzling. So let me get a little pot holder so I can take this lid off. And look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. So if you can see, I remember I told you that little well, that's where the juice of the fat from the chicken went into that well. So I just want to make sure that the chicken is cooked, how well the chicken is cooked. And what I'm going to do is, let me show you. So you say it's grilled on that side, and we could probably flip this over and grill it some more on this side so we can get grilled. Okay, so let me cut into this a little bit. I'll just cut it in half. So if you can see that, so this was done in 5 minutes. Isn't that awesome? 5 minutes. But what I'm gonna do is I have some veggies, and it's just broccoli. So I want to just kind of wanted to add it in there, just so I could have some vegetables. And I'm trying to just mix it up with some of that stuff in the well, just so you get some flavor, and I'll just kind of salt it up a little bit too. That should be good. It's just me. Okay, so let me throw this back into the microwave. Let me salt up my broccoli. Just want a little bit garlic salt on there. Okay, and then I'll put this back in the microwave, and I'll just cook it for another minute on grill position. And then I will be back. Okay, so we are back and it is done. So let's look at how it came out. Oh my goodness, that looks so yummy. So there you go. Now how quick was that? So I made this in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So a piece of chicken thighs, and then a minute after that with the, so 5 minutes for the chicken thigh, I flipped it over, and a minute when I added in the broccoli, and voila, that is it. So now I'm gonna plate it onto, I've been eating brown rice, been trying to eat a little bit healthier because I have type 2 diabetes, so we've been trying to eat less white rice, more veggies. And I don't eat that much brown rice. That's maybe about a cup, if anything, maybe less, a little less than a cup. So there you go. And there's dinner. So 6 minutes is what it took me to make my dinner for myself.